The kind of girl that you could be down for. Cause when I look at you, I feel something tell me that you're the kind of guy that I should make a move on. And if I don't let you know, then I won't be for real. I could be wrong, but I feel like something could be going on.
Hey girl, welcome to my channel. So today I'm going to be showing you this Auburn brown curly lace closure from Unice hair. This unit is so beautiful. The curls and the color look so amazing. Now this is a closure though, girl, so it only has 4 inches down the part there, as you see, and then 4 inches across. So it's not much room for like a versatile look, but this is perfect for a beginner. There's not much work to do with this wig at all. Even though I did bleach the knots on this one, it's definitely not even necessary. Like, you can just do a little bit of plucking and put this one on. It has clips in the front, so this wig is perfect for a beginner. Like, I just threw some baby hairs up there and then that was it. So definitely beginner friendly. And the curls in this wig, this unit, this color is just amazing. So I do have the links to this wig and to Unice hair, their website, in my description box. Definitely go ahead and check that out. And if you have any questions for me, definitely just leave me a question, comment down below as well. But thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you in the next review.
Like to get to know if I could be the kind of girl that you could be down for. Cause when I look at you, I feel something tell me that you're the kind of guy that I should make a move on. And if I don't let you know,